Make sure you stay until the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape. That generation that you see right here, guys, this is known as the generation from year 2012 to year 2019. If you have one of those and if you need to find where your power windows fuses are located, which fuses you need to check, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say, guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So guys, where you can expect to find the power window fuses on this generation Ford Escape. This is the same generation, this is the model before the facelift, this is the model after the facelift, but it will work for both. You guys have 3 different fuse boxes in that SUV and they will work actually, guys, in 3 of them. The first one, open the trunk on your Ford Escape. In the trunk on the right side you have that cover, open it, and underneath you'll find the main trunk fuse box that we have a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the power windows fuses, guys. First we need to check 3 fuses in this fuse box, then we need to check 3 more fuses in another fuse box. Now where are they located? So we'll come, okay, in that row that's fuse 1 through 16. You may have all of them, you may have just some. The fuse numbers will be right next to the fuse, guys, okay, in front of the fuse. So that will be fuse number 16, 15, 14. So you need to check fuse number 14. You may or may not have that one. After that, guys, you will need to check fuse number 28. We're talking, so that's 24, 5, 6, 7, 8. You may have that one here, it will be a big J-case fuse. Then you need to check fuse number 33, so that's 29, 30, 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you don't have those, don't freak out, because you will have them at a different place. You need to open the hood. Once you open the hood, here the fuse box is right here on the right side, under that cover. Remove that cover and this is your main, okay, engine fuse box. Here we need to check 2 more fuses, guys, and the main fuses here will be now fuse number 14. Okay, we're talking about that fuse right here, and some of you may have fuse number 16 depending on which year Ford Escape you have. Next, on the inside, if you come on the passenger side under the glove box on the bottom of the dash, look upside down, you will see one carpet liner that attaches with 2 turning knobs. Remove that carpet liner. Underneath you have a hidden fuse box that looks like this one, and here you will need to check. The numbers will be listed right next to the fuses, guys. Starting on top, this is fuse 56, 7, 8, 9, fuse number 60. will need to be checked, guys. Okay, right here, the number will be in the top right corner. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.